Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Announcement for the jewelry workshop. It is completely beginner friendly and affordable. So today is the last day for the registration. DM me for the details and hurry up, enroll now. So today's video has started in a very different way. Well, it's just okay. I used a Brustro watercolor paper over here. With the help of this 30 centimeter scale, I'm going to draw a horizontal line, as you can see, marking the points as per the measurement. So you're drawing the horizontal lines. Basically, this is a 9-head croquis or a flat croquis, you can say. I took reference from my inspiration, who is Nick Veros sir. His croquis tutorial, literally the way he explained made me understand, even though I am not that pro or expert in this, but still I am trying my level best to become perfect one day. Drawing paper is divided into 9 head or so. Drawing the head as an oval and doing the neck as well. The video clarity might look a little dull as it was raining continuously, there was no sunlight and I had to rely on the natural light. Drawing the small cylindrical kind of shape for the neck. Drawing the shoulder, which is approximately 2 head width. It is a very first time that I tried a croquis drawing as per your request, and to be very honest, I have been doing freehand fashion illustration since 7 years. Draw vertical lines to connect the shoulder, waist and hips. So I'm drawing the hip, which is approximately 1 3/4 head width. Now draw a straight vertical line for the arms as the way I'm showing. Now for the legs, I am drawing circle, which is the knee. Drawing the line, bending a little and connecting the hip to the knees. And now small circles for the ankles. Draw and connect the knee to ankle. Drawing the feet as well. I made the feet size a little small. As I'm a beginner, I won't be sharing my knowledge about fashion croquis right now in this video. Let me just go through everything, then only I'll come up with a tutorial in future. Now time for shaping the outlines of the arms and illustrating the fingers as well. I know my croquis doesn't look perfect, but still I tried for the very first time and I'm really proud of it that I did. So after completing the croquis drawing, I'm going to mention it. So firstly comes the head, second is the shoulder. Oh my god, I forgot to do the apex. So here it is. Waist and elbows, hips and wrist, mid-thighs, knees, calves, ankle, and at the last is the feet. I'll be including hair skin rendering on my next illustration. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you so much for watching.